This is Ben's Machine Shop. I'm Barry Martyr. This tape is about a drill I bought many years ago, over 20 years ago. It's a Sealy, it's a 16 speed, and it has served me well over the years, even by the tips. Yeah, as you see, I have used it quite a lot. The Sealy stuff was made in Taiwan, probably an American firm, but they are a very good, reputable merchandise, and I hope you find this of interest. This is the drill in question. It has served me well over the past 20-25 years. These are the Spades, 16 different speeds. As we need it, the depth gauge as needed. Three-step pulley, two-step, three-step, two belts to give me the correct speeds. I have it on a stand I made, and a set of drawers below, which come in very useful. I will just show one or two drawers. Two to three drills, micrometers. 10 drawers, very useful. Now this is the table, and this is a part of an old lathe I got from a scrapyard, which I made for to suit the drill. I made the table, which is very nice. The table locks. Can lock it from winding up, keeps it steady. When I need extra height, I just 2 bolts here and here, and it lifts off. I have 2 or 3 different vices which I can use. Very nice. It's a great little drill. Well, it's pretty big. It's Morse 3, sorry, Morse 2. Which is very, and I can also It's a wee drill I wouldn't like to be without. There must be something wrong. It doesn't usually make that sound. That's it. I have two. Fives, large ones, and a large screwdriver just sits on it. Good little drill, large drill, whatever. Now, these are the Spades, as I was saying. The motor is hinged on this plate. You loosen the pulleys. Brings it in, that you can change the speeds. A closer view on it, that's the hinge. This is the motor. I think it's a 3/4 horse. Oops. You loosen this, the motor comes in, put it loosen the belts. Put a screwdriver in here, tightens up, and just tighten this screw. That's a 3/4 chuck I have on it. It pays sometimes to visit scrapyards. I visited a scrapyard and picked this up. It was on an old lathe. I got a nice wee deal. I had to put my own wee handles, and I made the table. This is it. Very useful. Very nice drill. Now, as I was saying, it is a handy, decent drill. It has served me well over the last 20-25 years. Sealy produces a lot of good stuff, I have a few bits and pieces from Spades, and they are a Taiwan firm, probably an American firm. I hope some of you have found this of interest. This is Ben's Machine Shop. Thank you for watching.